Hello, in front of me I've got JEEP Cherokee Keyfob. In this video I'll show you how to access the battery. In the beginning, let's remove the manual keyfob. You can do it by pushing this lever left and pulling the keyfob. Now take a look right here. Here we've got this hole. You can use tool like this, or you can use your finger or the key to pull one part of the keyfob apart. Once it's pulled, simply remove this part, but carefully. Pull it upwards and then pull this part upwards. The keyfob motherboard with battery is located right here. To remove the battery, you can use spoon tool. To assemble it, firstly place it here, then place this part, and in the end assemble the keyfob cover. Don't forget about manual key and its tone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.